happy kiddos!
Less screen time, more playtime makes kids happy and strong.
Reading books makes our brain grow strong.
Playing outside keeps our body healthy.
Building blocks is fun and smart. Drawing pictures makes us creative.
Family time is full of love and smiles. Yes, it's wonderful.
The best.
I love picnics. Me too, watermelon.
Help yourself, sweetie.
Great idea.
Riding a bicycle keeps us active and happy.
Plants need water and love to grow.
Dancing keeps us active and cheerful.
Puzzles help our brain think better. Playing with friends is fun and joyful.
Yeah, let's play together. This is the best.
Yay, friends!
Helping parents makes us kind and caring. Let's help together. Great job, sweetie.
Birds love food and gentle care.
Singing songs makes us happy and bright.
Singing songs makes us happy and bright. La 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 la. Happy and bright.
Jumping rope keeps our bodies strong. Gather close, my dears. Tonight's story is magical.
Storytime fills our minds with fun ideas.
In the forest, the animals danced and played.
Wow, I love this story. Playing in sand is fun and creative. Yeah, let's make a big castle. I'll add seashells. It's done, we did it. Gardening helps plants grow big and healthy. Board games are fun with family and friends. Yeah, I rolled a 5. My turn now. Let's see what I get. This is the best. Exercise keeps our body healthy and strong. Let's do some fun exercises together. First, stretch up high. Now jump and move.
Nature is full of beauty and fun adventures.
Flying a kite is fun in the fresh air. Cooking healthy food is fun and helpful. Music makes our hearts feel happy. Picnic time is fun with family and nature.
Yes, it is. Great to be outside.
And yummy snacks.
And no screens, just us.
This is the best. Playing catch keeps us active and happy. Playing catch keeps us active and happy. Playing catch keeps us active and happy. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.